is Chef Ada. We're here in Munich, Germany. It's Christmas time and it's really, really cold. We're going to have a really nice evening for you tonight. We're going to the Viktualienmarkt, the chocolate factory, and sandwiches, fish market, and we're going to do a couple of shoppings, groceries for the heart. And when we come back to the studio, or well, to my kitchen, I'm going to show you what we're going to cook with all those goodies. Stay tuned. We're at Viktualienmarkt, exactly where I buy my fish, fresh every day. My next recipe is shrimps on a bed of tomato confit. I'm gonna get the shrimps here, and then when I go to the studio, I'll show you how I'm going to make it, put everything together. So the lobsters here are like 30 to 40 euro pack. The scallops, however, you have to cook like really quick. You sear it on each side, and you garnish with some lemon juice. The purse is full with money, with euros. So we're going to spend all of it. There's music all over the city. People dancing and singing on the street. So we're going to be going over there, and we'll see what else is there at Viktualienmarkt. Come. So this is Chef Ada. I'm here with the olives. It's like you can take a swim in this olives, and these beautiful people are going to let me try some stuff. It's so good. Do not forget, you can break your teeth. That's nice. And yours?
My name is Finn.
Finn. Yeah. Hi, Finn.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, you know, the big one, I eat it and go, oh, and then I eat some more.
Delicious.
Yeah, but it comes here.
Oh, yeah.
My favorite cheese, raclette. It's in my book. You're gonna see how I made it. I just got the raclette cheese. That's what we're going to make tonight. And these cheeses, they're like from all over the world. I could just smell it. I mean, I wish they had smell-o-vision. Thank you. Ah, it's too expensive.
Ist eine artgerechte Wiener.
Ja, weil ich möchte das nur für die Kamera, aber ja, das kostet.
1,36.
If I said I was cold before, I was lying. Right now, I'm freezing. I'm almost freezing my butt to death. But we're going to go to the mayor's house and show you how beautiful and big the Christmas tree is. It has over 2,000 lights. It's packed. They're drinking club wine. It's wine, like warm red wine with sugar in it. It's like, ugh, I'm not gonna try any of those. But when we get home, I'm going to show you how I make my beautiful ginger tea that is very good when you've been outside for a long time.